ready to turn that Visa gift card into your next delicious meal delivered right to your door. First, launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an Uber Eats account, you will need to create one. Next, tap on the account icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen and looks like a profile picture or person icon. In the account menu, scroll down and tap on Wallet. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Now, to add your Visa gift card, tap on the Add Payment Method option. This will open a new screen with different payment options. Select the credit or debit card option. Even though it's a gift card, Visa gift cards are usually processed as regular credit or debit cards. Time to enter your Visa gift card details. Carefully type in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, which is usually on the back of the card. Also, enter the billing postcode associated with the card. This is important. After entering all the details, tap Save. Your Visa gift card should now be listed as a payment method in your Uber Eats wallet. When placing your next order, simply select your Visa gift card as your payment method at checkout. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.